Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once more, I thank you guys for tuning in. So today's video is gonna be a quick and short one. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install the most popular and accurate indicator. This indicator is about 85% accurate. Yeah, and this indicator is used for all kinds of trading. I mean all kinds of trading, you guys. It's also used by the institutional traders, is used by technical traders, and is used by the market maker. To trade the market maker method, you also need this indicator. Yeah, they use this indicator for confluencing their trade before making entries. So this indicator is called a TDI. TDI means Traders Dynamic Index. So let's proceed to the installation of this indicator. So first of all, you install your RSI. You click on the F sign up here. You click on the F sign. You install your RSI. RSI period should be 13. Apply to close, and the color will be the color of your chart. If your chart is a white one, your color will be white, and if your chart is a dark one, your color will be black. So mine is a dark chart background, so I use black. And the pixel, you choose any pixel, so I keep it neutral too. So you click done. You go back again, indicator window 1, go to moving average. Your moving average period should be 2. Your moving average period should be 2, and the shift is 0. Method should be simple. Apply to previous indicator data. Your style, choose any style, and then the color should be green. Yeah, color should be green. And boom, done. You go back again, indicator window 1. You go back, moving averages again. Your period this time around will be 7, and the shift 0. Method simple, and apply to previous indicator window. Then the color will be red, and done. Yeah, you go back again, indicator window 1. You insert your Bollinger Band. Look for a Bollinger Band. Where is this Bollinger Band? Okay, is here. And then your period should be 34. Period should be 34, and your deviation should be 1 point. Deviation should be 1.619. Shift 0. Apply to first indicator data, and then your color should be blue. Yeah, blue. Boom, it appears. So we'll go back again for the last one, indicator window 1, moving average. The period of your moving average this time around will be a big period, that is 34. Shift 0. Method simple. Apply to first indicator window, and your color should be yellow. So I use this color, and boom, you can see it here. So this is your RSI. Your killer strategy is ready. So guys, if you like this content, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. On my next video, I'll be teaching you guys how to trade and make profit out of TDI. I'll be exposing TDI strategies for you guys to make more profit from the forex market. So thank you. See you next time on my channel. Subscribe.